Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God. You may take your seats. The clerk will now call the roll.
Case number 003-2025 in the matter of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Roll call of Senator Judges. Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the presiding officer.
With 23 senator judges present, Chair hereby declares the presence of a quorum. Before we take up the matter at hand as earlier agreed upon when the Senate was still sitting in plenary, Chair would like to first adopt our rules. Chair hereby adopts Resolution number 39 of the Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, Rule 6 of which provides that the provisions of the rules of the Senate and the revised rules of court shall apply suppletorily whenever applicable. As such, the following issuances of the Supreme Court shall likewise apply suppletorily to the current matter on the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, namely, the 2019 amended Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 1 to 34, except Rule 5, Rule 13 as amended, by AM number 1037 SC-AM number 1194 SC, B, 2019 amended rules on evidence, C, AM number 3-1-09 SC guidelines to be observed in pretrial and use of deposition discovery measures, Part 1A1 to 9, except provisions on mediation and amicable settlement, D, AM number 1037 SC, AM number 119-4 SC guidelines on electronic filing of lower courts, in lower courts rather, AM number 1288 SC, Judicial Affidavit Rule, except Section 9, and F, such other relevant rules and issuances. It is to be noted that we did not change any of the provisions of the Rules of Procedure because there is already a pending impeachment complaint and the chair would not want to change the rules in the middle of the game, so to speak. However, the updated amended rules of court, as discussed and mentioned and enumerated earlier, shall apply given the suppletory application of the rules of court. Is there any objection? There being none, the aforementioned rules are hereby adopted by the impeachment court. Proceeding now to the matter at hand as earlier agreed upon and discussed by the Senate sitting in plenary. What is the pleasure of Member Judge Tolentino?
Mr. President, for the record, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, in
The
view of
gentleman may proceed.
In view of the convening of the impeachment court, I move that the Committee on Rules be discharged with the previous referral of the subject impeachment complaint, considering that the plenary itself, acting as a body, has initiated and ratified the formation of the impeachment court through a direct act. It is therefore submitted that there is no further necessity for a committee report to be submitted, debated, or adopted in relation thereto. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the Committee on Rules is so discharged as indicated by Member Judge Tolentino. Chair now reiterates the earlier agreed upon matter to be taken up once we have convened as an impeachment court, and for this purpose, the Chair would like to recognize Senator Judge Bato de la Rosa to kindly reiterate his motion, and thereafter, Senator Judge Go to second his motion. Senator de la Rosa is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Sir. So I would reiterate my motion. The
Kindly
motion
restate the motion you made earlier while the Senate was sitting in plenary session.
Yes, Mr. President. In the spirit of true action, therefore, allow me to end by moving. I respectfully move that in view of its constitutional infirmities and question on the jurisdiction and authority of the 20th Congress, the verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte be dismissed. I so move, Mr. President. Mr. Presiding Officer.
Senator Go is recognized for his seconding speech. Rather, Senator Judge Go is recognized for his seconding speech.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I just wish to give my remarks and second the motion of Senator Judge Bato de la Rosa. I agree with the motion of Senator Judge Bato. Ang gusto nating kalabasan ng paglilitis na ito ay hustisya, hindi politika. Mararating lang natin ito kung masasagot ang mga katanungang na hindi nabibigyan ng linaw hanggang ngayon. Kung kaya't sana naman, pag-aralan natin ito ng mabuti. Tama na hindi dapat ito patagalin, pero hindi rin dapat ito madaliin. At the very least, pag-aralan natin ito ng mabuti. Baka naman maaari natin itong ibalik o i-remand muna natin. Tama naman po ang accountability. Huwag lang pong politikahin. May tamang proseso ang impeachment. Dapat pag-aralan natin ito ng mabuti. Under Article 11, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution, a verified complaint for impeachment may be filed by any member of the House of Representatives or by any citizen upon a resolution or endorsement by any member thereof, which shall be included in the order of business within 10 days and referred to the proper committee within 3 session days thereafter. On December 2, 2024, the first impeachment complaint endorsed by members of the House of Representatives was filed before the Secretary General of the lower house. Second and third impeachment complaints were filed in the succeeding days, duly endorsed by members of the House. Under Section 3 of the House Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Proceedings, a verified complaint for impeachment shall be filed with the Office of the Secretary General and immediately referred to the Speaker. Despite this rule, Mr. Presiding Officer, the 3 impeachment complaints filed were never referred to the Office of the Speaker. Instead, a 4th verified impeachment complaint signed by more than 200 congressmen, which now constitutes the articles of impeachment, was transmitted to the Senate, this brings into question the legality of such move when the Constitution provides that no impeachment proceeding shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year. Para sa ordinaryong mamamayan, at lalo na sa aming mga binigyan ng tungkulin na maging senator judge sa paglilitis na ito, this opens up a lot of questions. At ang iniiwasan natin ay yung magpapasya tayo sa isang bagay na makakaapekto sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Makakaapekto sa trabaho natin,